Welcome to JH. Orchator.com is an online store that claims to sell all kinds of jewelry, from necklaces and earrings to rings and bracelets. But here is the real question. Is this site actually legit, or is it just another online scam waiting to happen? Let's find out together. First things first, when we checked the registration data, we found that the website was created in September 2024. It is so new it probably still has that fresh out-of-the-box scam smell. While being the new kid on the block isn't automatically a red flag, most genuine businesses prefer to exist for more than 5 minutes before asking for your credit card details. Next up are the product images. When we looked closely, many of them appeared to be shamelessly copied from other websites. Because nothing says high-end craftsmanship like a photo stolen from a Google search. This is a massive concern because it suggests the photos don't show the actual products you will receive, assuming you receive anything at all. Moving on, we tried to find Orchator.com on social media, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere really, but we couldn't find a single active profile. They are essentially more invisible than my motivation on a Monday morning, which is a bad sign since real stores actually like to talk to their customers. Then we tried to see who is actually running this operation, but the owner and company details are completely missing. There is no team info and zero transparency. It is like they are playing a very expensive game of hide-and-seek with your money. To top it off, we checked trusted platforms like Trustpilot and found absolutely no customer feedback. Not a single person is talking about their orders, which makes it hard to believe this store delivers anything it promises. So is Orchator.com legit? Well, based on the brand new registration, stolen images, lack of social media, and total anonymity, it looks about as trustworthy as a gas station sushi platter. If you are thinking of shopping there, please be cautious. It is much better to wait until a site proves it's not a digital ghost before you start spending your hard-earned cash. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that help you avoid terrible life choices.